Hi there guys, it's Ash Naik again from www.forextradingdomain.com. This is again a quick video on the daily reversal. Today we're looking at the Austrian dollar pair, US dollar pair. So yesterday was the 25th, well, Austrian time. Yesterday was the 25th, and I did not send out the daily reversal because I didn't have time to calculate the whole thing. But it's pretty much later that I did the calculation, and it was a bit too late for me to post it and things. So I'm really apologize for that little for that little delay, I guess. But I'll just give you an idea of how you can profit again from this daily reversal. So yesterday was for this pair, the AUD USD pair, the high and the low. Well, the low, as you can see, this is the 24th. Sorry, it's the 24th. Jeez, I'm losing my mind. So this is the 24th, and yeah. So yesterday the low was at 91.9140. and the high was at 0.9338. So 0.9338 was never reached. However, we did reach the low of 91.9140, which was around here. I just put it down here. There we go. That's it with the support line here. So usually, as I said, it happens in the US session, those reversal, but as you can see, yesterday this was reached at the open of the London session. So we reached an oversold region very early during the day. Well, that's not a too bad thing at the same time. So how would you profit from that move again? Well, don't worry about the arrows. I got an email actually asking what the arrows were about. So this is the Black Dog system, so you don't have to worry about that. You can, well, I do use Black Dog system to sometimes to trade that daily reversal, but you don't need to worry too much about it. If you don't buy it, that's not a problem. We have a link on our website. But yeah, the 18 and the 9 EMA is just perfect on a 5-minute time frame to do the job. So let's head to a 5-minute time frame now. We want the 15, so we'll just go on the 5-minute. Okay, there we go. Actually, I did take that trade, but I did get in a bit late, and got in. Well, it was a break even actually. I did get in around here, and I should have just got in here because the move was pretty much a good move. Anyways, okay, so let's see where this where price reached that level. There we go. So price reached that level at just after the open of the London session here. Price started to head up again. The red crossed the blue EMA. Well, some would take that trade around here, 3 pips above that high, or even 2 pips. It's pretty much up to you, but I like to use 3 pips. So this candlestick is where there was a pullback when the red line was already above the blue line. Pull back, place my trade 3 pips above, which is at 0.91819. So my stop loss would be preferably around here, which is around about 1 pip above the latest swing. There's enough room actually. When you have 28 pips or 30 pips, there's enough room to use that as a stop loss. And so this was 28 pips, and I like to use a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. And so we did reach our target of 28 pips after 4 hours nearly. Yeah, around 4 hours. Well, 28 pips was not a too bad result. Some would want to take more, some would want to take less, but I'm happy with my 28 pips. And as I said, this was reached. However, if you want to use another strategy, that's what you can do. So you can wait for the candlestick to come all the way this well. Here it didn't reach it didn't go in between those two lines, so for me it was, even if it was a good move, it was an invalid move. So I'll wait for something like this candlestick here to happen, and once the candlestick open outside the red line and the blue line, I'll take the trade. So usually here I'll put a stop loss same, because this was pretty much the latest major swing, I'll say. You can put it here too, but I just think it's a bit too much room, but it's up to you. If you want to put it here just to be on the safe side, you can. This is a 50 pip stop, and we didn't even reach the 50 pip actually, but it's pretty much up to you. But I like to take the latest swing, which is around, when it's around 20, 25, 30 pips, so it gives me a bit of room for the price to move, especially when we got to the oversold region here in this case. So yeah, so my stop loss would be around 27, 1 pip below the swing, 27, and my take profit will be 27 again. Oh jeez, we went to 41, 42 here, but as you see, the profit target was reached successfully. And I just wanted to show you that where I did enter the market here, I entered just around here, and my stop loss was here. And yeah, I was trying to be a bit of a smart ass, sorry for the language, but my stop loss was 22 pips, and I should have gone for 22 pips, which I would have reached easily, but I decided to yesterday to go for 30 pips, and I missed it by a couple of, perhaps 1 pips, 1.5 pip. And yeah, of course, when I was up by 20 pips, I put my stop loss to break even, and I was stopped out, as you can see here. So it was not exactly the best move, I guess. However, I think that must have been on a news release, which even though was not the best, but I don't exactly understand why. It was a 2.5 US GDP. Yeah, well, it's not a big problem. But yeah, so that's how you can profit from this move. Actually, again, here you can see as the oversold region was already reached, there was another cross, another signal, and we had another buy. So here you would have put your stop loss maybe around here, 30 pips. Try to go for 30 pips. Well, we reached 27 pips here. It's pretty much up to you, or you could have put your stop loss around here of 23 pips, 25 pips, and go for, well, 23 pips again, or 26 pips. So that's how you can profit from that move. And I do hope that this video was helpful. This is very simple, and it's a method of using the overbought and oversold region of price, because as you know, as most of you know, a currency pair has a limit for the day, so it reaches a limit and it can't go further than that. Sometimes it does because of news release and stuff, but most, well, I say 80 to 85% of the time, it will reach that, perhaps a bit more, it will reach that level, and there will be a major reversal, or there will be a slight reversal where you can profit from between, let's say, 25, 30 pips to even up to 70 pips to 50, well, 60 to 70 pips. So I do hope this small video again was helpful. And this is a very simple method. Again, what you can do is, some people are asking, well, the more simple it is, the more confused sometimes people tend to be, because they think that the more simple it is, the easier you make money, I guess. And I don't think the human mind can pretty much understand that little data. But yeah, this is a very simple method, guys, used in conjunction with the EMAs. So give it a try. This is another video to give you a hint how to profit from that. This is the simplest method I've been using right now. So give it a try again. You do have the reversal, and yeah, hope you'll be profiting from those moves, and all the best. If you have any more questions, guys, please contact me. Don't feel free to contact me, and I'll try to assist you to the best of my abilities. So best of luck in your trading, and I hope to see you again. Ciao.